welcome back to my channel. My name is Fumi Desalu-Vold. For those of you that are stopping by for the very first time, I'm a whole bunch of things like all women are. We multitask, mothering, wifing, trying to go to work, trying to look fly, and above all else, we love what? We love makeup. That's why you're what? That's why you're here. Welcome, my darlings, to positivity, to fabulosity, and to spoiling yourself. Just that slice of pie in your world where you can say, you know what, let me hang around with F.D.V and have fun. Alrighty, do we love this look, my darlings? Well, let me tell you what I use. Amrezy, I do love her. Amrezy came out with another collaboration with ABH. Yes, my darlings, ABH, I think 2 or 3, because she had a palette with ABH before. Then she came out with highlighters, balm.com, and then she came out with Amrezy, the pink series. If you guys follow on IG, you will know that she'll do pinks, blues, whites. She's that fly. Anyway, this is the PR package. I am in love. I am living. We have, of course, bling bling. We have a mirror right here. I'm going to take this out and I'm going to flip it 1 or 2 times up this way so that you guys can see it. And it's got rhinestones and Amrezy right there. She came out with this palette a while ago, but Mama's been busy. We were moving in. I have a little baby. It was a lot. And I wanted to dedicate the right time to Amrezy. So let us pop the hood, shall we? Fabulous job on the packaging. It's going to be in my studio, of course. I'm not going to get rid of it. ABH is known for fantastic PR packages. And this right here is one of them. Alrighty, my darlings, let me open the palette. And here you have 16. Not the usual 14. You got beautiful names like Leo. I think Leo is the name of her husband because she recently got married about a year ago. And then you have New York because she's a New Yorker. You have OG. You have Wasted. I guess that's a beautiful small waist. You have Barb, Litty, Cupcake, Dragon, Leo, Gemini. Georgina was a beautiful favorite. I had to use that. I used that on my brow bone because that's my mother's name. You have Rezi. You have Anastasia, New Yorker, OG, because she really is an OG. You have Semsa, 1988, BK for Black, and Vugo. So that is it, darlings. Congratulations to Amrezy. I am positive that they're going to do more collaborations with ABH. I know that the palette is still available on the website. And this is what I came up with, my darlings. It's very, to me, I just wanted to put it together, to really try the colors together. And I put on layers this time around. That's what I did. I put layers on. I just put a lash. I put a colored liner, which I'm living and loving right now. And then I have this habit of putting on a lip gloss, lipstick, and taking an eyeshadow just to complement the eye look and kind of bring the entire story together. I also wanted this look to be really easy for you guys, so you could recreate this look easy peasy. For me, it just reminds me of my life when I lived in New York. I lived in New York for 10 years and I would have worn this with a black suit and maybe like a lace blouse underneath. This is what I would have gone with. I absolutely love this. Very disco, very night out, very dinner, and again, you know, an alternative to smoky eye, and it's not that colorful. It's not that crazy for you guys. So sit back, grab your girlfriends, and let us find out if this palette is dark girl friendly or not. Okay, yes, flip that wig. love, darlings? Do we love? I say to myself, you know, I love it, but do you love it? And do we love it? You know, this is a wig, by the way, and I just thought, let me flip it on. Like I told you, I'm feeling that kind of, you know, New Yorker vibe. Alrighty, what can I tell you? I love the palette. I love the palette. It was easy, pigmented. The glitter was gorgeous, as you see. It just really opened up the eye, popped up the eye. I love the story. I love the fact that she has this aubergine. She's got a black. She's got like a nice poppy brown blue that if you layer it, it can be different shades, you know. The blue can be purple. It can be indigo. It can be anything that you wanted if you layer it. And I think that was so smart of her to give us this kind of glitter blue, because you can layer it as opposed to a matte blue. That was so smart of her. The other colors complementary. Litty right here is lit. It is lit. I put it all over. And then of course, my darlings, I had to go with Cupcake and just put it all over my lip. Living, loving. I like to use same brands when I'm doing a tutorial, launching a new, you know, product in a brand. And this is one of my all-time favorites. It's the Glow Kit. Love this. And this is the Sugar Glow Kit and Gumdrop, my all-time, because it has that iridescent purple, which I was looking for this eye look. And that is it, my darling. So, Ole, darling, because he's here joining us today.
Is it F.D.V?
It is absolutely... absolutely F.D.V approved. Yes, darlings. All right, my munchkins. I will see you very, very soon. I hope you enjoyed it. Tell me what you think. Are you living, loving the set? Are you living, loving the hair? Are you living, loving the look? I'll see you very soon. All of my love. Mwah. Ula, say goodbye.
Goodbye.
Goodbye, my love.